How can you survive a stock market crash? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but all markets at some point correct. Sometimes they crash, they go up, they go down. And I thought I'd take a few minutes today and talk to you, in a way, talk you through how to deal with a market crash. They're out there in our future, maybe not this year, maybe not next year. At some points, markets correct, 20%, 30%, sometimes even more. It's a very painful feeling to watch your stock portfolio, say, go from $300,000 to $200,000. You felt that $300,000 was yours forever. Well, it only is if you sell it. Now, what I want to talk to you about market crashes is a little bit the psychology of them, how to weather the storm, because the storms are out there. One of the things we've seen, and this shows you from the 1920s what the Dow Jones did. You see it was about 100, ran up to 350, came back down to $50, $60 points on the Dow. If you don't need the money, in general, you can ride out a crash. They sometimes correct, sometimes it corrects quite quickly. If you think for a car, for a house, for your college education of your children, you're going to need that money, don't wait till the market's correct to take it out of the market. Leave in the market what you can, in effect, lose, what you don't need on a daily basis. The second thing about market crashes, and I think this is very important for investors to keep in mind, is that they overdo themselves, so that the times in a crash when everybody's despairing that the markets will never return, and they may not return right away, it could be a chance to buy something. So it's both a chance to buy, but it's also a chance to hold. Look at this. This is now, I'm giving you the S&P look from about 1989. Way down there, you can see it goes up. This is the crash in 2007, 2008. But look where we are now. We're at an all-time high. Is it justified? Yes, earnings are up, corporate earnings are up. There's been a lot of, in a way, funny money put into the markets. But keep in mind, these are all-time highs. If you need that money in your account, it's your money. Take it, put it in your pocket, come back and live another day. I'm not saying markets will correct. I'm not saying they will crash. But at some point, they always do. That's all the time we have this week on The Investment Advisor. I'm your host, Matthew Stevenson, in partnership with Dukascopy TV. Remember, money can take care of you. It cannot take care of itself.